1st of January, 1st of May, and the 1st of September are three of my favourite times of the year because it means we get a new LEGO CMF series. This time it's Series 26 and they are space themed. Now, generally speaking, I am pretty lucky when it comes to opening CMFs. In fact, with the last Marvel series, I bought 12 and just got all of them in one go. And I looked up the probability of this happening afterwards, and it was like 1 in 18,000. So, in fact, I actually went out and bought a lottery ticket that night. I thought, I'm just on a run of good luck. However, when it came round to Series 25, which was the last series, I definitely used up all of that luck, and I just ended up getting loads of duplicates. I just gave up with that series. But hopefully this series will be better. I have got 12, so yeah, let's start opening them. Okay, right, let's get started. So, ones that I really want in this series are the M-Tron Mutant and the M-Tron Powerlifter, just because they are kind of classic space figures, really. Plus, this flying saucer costume guy looks quite cool. Ones I'm not too keen on are this sort of astronaut and the I think it's called the retro space heroine, just because I feel they're the weaker minifigures in this series. But yeah, let's open it up and get started. Okay, so we have I think it's called the Orion, named after the constellation. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Quite cool printing on the figure. So yeah, solid start. It's kind of one of the better ones in this series. Yeah, a bit different. Okay, good start. Let's keep this moving. Now, obviously, if I wanted to, I could just I could buy these sort of individually on eBay, and then or somewhere else, and I wouldn't get duplicates. But I kind of like to have that kind of have that thrill of just buying these blind. Kind of takes me back to when I used to get like Pokemon sort of booster packs, and you just never know what was going to be like inside. But I just get much more fun out of doing it that way, even though obviously I do run the risk of getting duplicates. Oh no! In fact, having just said that, okay, I got this same one again. Actually, I didn't see this base plate printing. I wonder if all of them have that printing. It's quite cool. Okay, worst possible start really is to get a duplicate. Yeah, hopefully that's not a sign of things to come, because as I was saying, I'm kind of in a bad sort of in a bad patch of form with these CMFs. That's better. Got the flying saucer costume guy, and yeah, all of them do have that same base plate printing. That's actually really nice. I always think it's better when they do something kind of extra special with the base plates. Right, now let's hope we can get another different one. And okay, this is the robot butler, so I can stop dropping it. Yeah, something different with the legs there. Obviously we've never had that kind of that mold in the past. So a little pot and pan, cooking up a little space stew, or a space soup, I guess you could say. Okay, so minus the one duplicate that we got like right at the start, so far not too bad. Now I think for the past few years the Lego CMF series has been kind of going sort of gradually downhill. But this series, I would say, is the best series that we've had for a long time. Lego's done a pretty good job recently of kind of like hearing what fans want, and we want more of the classic space sets, and old castle sets, things like that. And kind of in recent years, Lego has started to bring those things back. So it's good to see this series kind of get Lego back on track in terms of, you know, it's a decent CMF series. And oh no, again another duplicate. Yeah, 2 duplicates in 5 figures is not that good, really. Come on, Chris, this one needs to be better. Okay, I think this one is called the Imposter. Again, I think this is one of the weaker figures in this series, but it's not a duplicate, so that's a positive. Okay, so we are 6 minifigures in, and we've got 4 of the total figures in this series. These 2 obviously duplicates, so... Ah, yes, it's the M-Tron mutant, so... Oh, that's cool, I didn't realise this had, these had dual molded arms. I think we first got this like in the Stitch character in the last Marvel series. That's cool to see Lego bringing that back. Yeah, I think it's just a classic space theme, isn't it? Okay, great. Right. Now we've got 5. I mean, at this point, actually, I've opened 7 packs. I've got 5 figures. That's not too bad. Yeah, let's hope we can keep it running. And we are with... I think this one is the Nurse Android. That's what it's called. Once again, it's kind of like an okay figure. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. It's kind of like... I'd place this kind of like in the middle, really. It's a mid-pack figure. So, obviously we had those early sort of duplicates, but we've got things back on track, actually. You know, 6 out of 8, again, it's not too bad. Right, 4 to go. Oh, God. This is just going to be one of those figures that I just get multiple times. There's always one, like every series, that you just... can't seem to get rid of. It just keeps coming back. Okay, 3 to go. Oh, God. Again, another duplicate. They obviously saw me coming, I think. It's just irritating, really. But, like I said, you know, this is the sort of price I pay for not going that route of kind of buying them on eBay or, you know, doing what other people do and just opening the packs in the stores. Oh no, another duplicate. Yeah, it's going downhill rapidly now. Okay, 1 pack left. I think the only thing that can save this haul is to get the M-Tron figure. Yeah, if I got that figure now, I would still be upset, but I could kind of sort of live with it, I guess. This is the risk you take, I guess. I mean, okay, when I went into the store, they had these figures on the shelves. You know, what are the chances of me picking out this figure 4 times? Okay, now, I didn't mention this actually at the start, but I did buy 2 extra packs, sort of last night. So I'm going to open these up now. So we'll open up 14 in total. And, yeah, like on the run that I'm on, I'll probably get these 2 again, but we'll see what happens. Oh, come on. Bloody flying saucer guy again. I'm just wasting money at this point, aren't I? The only thing that can salvage this series is if I open the M-Tron figure. And I've got the astronaut, which is, at this point, I'm just going to take that. Even though I did say this is one of the weaker figures in the series. It's just nice not to get another duplicate, really. There we are, that's the finished figure. So, a pretty nightmare haul, really. I can handle getting one duplicate, but I can't really handle getting 3 duplicates. So it looks like that bad luck I had on the last series, I'll kind of carry that forward with me. But yeah, that's just how it goes sometimes. Let me know your thoughts on this series. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.